changing the main and pre-fuel filters on a DAF LF E6. We're going to start with the pre-filter. This is on the near side of the chassis. Undo the water sensor. It's just a clip, DT plug. Get your filter strap and start wrenching. Once you get it off, make sure not to spill it everywhere. It is full of diesel. Dispose of said diesel. Get the new O-ring, lubricate it liberally, and fit it to the filter housing. Lubricate the new seal, and twist on the new filter. It's normally hand tight and then 3/4. Refit the DT plug, and that's it. Secure the wire if you need to. Now the main filter, it's on the near side of the engine, 32mm, and that one was really horribly tight. You should be wearing gloves for this. Funnily enough, diesel ran all down my arms and went everywhere. Diesel's a horrible liquid, please be careful. Anyway, once that's empty, you can pull the old filter out. Nice and simple. Replace the O-ring. Make sure to lubricate it. And fit the new filter. He's notched. You can only get it in one way. Lift it back up. Screw it back on. Once we're done, we're going to go back to the pre-filter, unscrew the primer, and start priming the hell out of it. If you do it right, you won't be cranking for ages. This is cranking a little bit, but you will go eventually. And that's all you need to do.